So this is like a crop hoodie I got from H&M, and the thing was I bought this originally because I wanted to thrift flip it in some way, since it's not thrifting. I paid full price, and then I wanted to distress the shoulders, and I didn't do such a good job. As we can see, I have no like skill or technique whatsoever when it comes to sewing, so I basically just cut a huge hole in the shoulder, and then I realized I fucked up and I just never got around to fixing it. It is a really comfortable hoodie, it's just that there are like huge ass fucking holes here. But I never wear it anymore because it's too warm, and I have another top that I kind of prefer, so this is just gonna go. It's kind of sad though. I did like this top a lot. Next up, we have these pair of jeans. So these jeans are from a brand called Ishan, and I really love these pair of jeans. They fit me really well, and I think that they're just really well made, so I'm gonna keep them because they're one of my better pair of jeans. I'm not gonna go through like every single piece of clothing because I have a lot, but I'm just gonna go through some of the key pieces that I feel that, you know, that I really loved, or I just think that might be a bit more shocking to keep. Ooh, this is an iconic shirt. So this is my lol you're not David Diggs shirt. I went through a huge Hamilton phase like 2 years ago. I'm still in my huge Hamilton phase, honestly. I paid, I don't know how much I paid. I'm hoping it was $17, but honestly, knowing me, it's probably like 30. I don't know, I always think it's kind of funny, and I'm honestly holding on to the hope that one day I'll meet David Diggs and I'll get to wear this in front of him. So I'm gonna keep it just on that off chance. Hopefully, like, you know, a few years down the road, I will get to meet him and I'll wear the shirt in front of him. So this is a new shirt I just got from ASOS. It's a, I think it's Collusion? Collusion? Yeah, it's a Collusion shirt, and it's just a really pretty like lilac kind of mock neck shirt, and I think it's just such a good steal for the price I got it at, and I'm gonna still keep this because it's quite new and I really like it and I wear it a lot. So this is a pair of jeans by the brand something borrowed, and I'm not sure if I want to keep this because it is a size too large on me, so I can't really wear it. I had to clip it in the back. Usually I tie it back with like a tight belt or something. I could get it altered smaller, but I haven't done that like in forever, so I don't know, you know, if I'm ever actually going to do that. It's just a really like, you know, well-made pair of jeans. I really love like this like huge cuff thing because I think it's really unique. I just never get around doing the thing that I want to do. I think I'm just gonna have to give this up just because I know because I've been putting it off for like a year and I still haven't gone to a tailor. So I'm just gonna give this pair of jeans up because I'm a lazy fuck, and this is my punishment. This is a hard one. So this is the Weekend's merch that I got that time that I went for his concert back in November 2018. It was one of the last shirts available, clearly, because it's bright fucking orange. I don't want to give it up because the thing is, I paid a lot of money for it because it's merch is expensive, but I just really have no clue how the style is. It is bright orange. I have worn it out a couple of times. I'm just gonna like insert the pictures here. I wanted to cut it into a crop, so maybe that's what I'll do. Just be like a little harsh with the XO out front. At the weekend, and don't come for my neck. So this is another shirt I got from the brand Ishan. It's a Rolling Stones shirt, but some guy told me they're not actually the Rolling Stones, it's some other band, and I was like, I don't give a fuck, I just wanted a graphic band shirt. I really like the little like cut up details here. You know, a lot of people have been like, did you do that yourself? And I'm like, no, I didn't, but I can see why you think that I cut this shirt up myself. But I'm gonna keep this. Just so to piss off guys who think that I don't know that this is not the Rolling Stones. This is a shirt that my friend was going to give her boyfriend, so she basically bought a shirt and they sent her the wrong one, and they gave me like this extra large, I think. Is it just extra large or just extra? No, it's just a large men's shirt, and it has like this really weird guy here that says stay fresh, and I love this shirt. I think it's so weird. I really love this. And if you're wondering, I'm gonna put like the artist's name here, and to whoever like lost their package because like they gave the wrong thing, I'm sorry, but this is mine now. So this is my one last time shirt for the time that like, God, I don't even remember. It was from my Hamilton phase. It really wasn't worth the price I paid for it. I'm not gonna say how much I paid for it because my friends are gonna watch this video and then they're gonna yell at me when they see it. So I'm gonna give it up despite how much I paid for it because I don't wear it anymore. It's cool. I can give it up. And that's everything I own. Well, not everything. I still have a couple more things. I just remember I have a few more things in the cupboard. But those are generally things that I still wear and still keep around. So yeah, I am done. I've KonMari'd all my clothes. Hopefully I have less now. I have small space to put them in my drawer. So thank you for watching. I'm just gonna put everything away now and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!